If you cut a pattern and don't replace it, it returns. Empty space does not stay empty, so something moves in. Today is not hype. Today is clarity. We cut, and we replace on purpose. Here is the replace protocol. 3 moves that stop the return. Redirect your attention. Patterns feed on focus, so choose one place your attention will go. Pick one task, one habit, one discipline, or one truth. Not distraction. Direction. Guard the boundary. A cut without a boundary reopens, so decide what no longer gets access. It can be a conversation, a tone you accept, a late-night scroll, or a private compromise. Anchor with truth. Replacement must be anchored, or it drifts. So choose one truth to live by. Ask it clearly. What truth will I live by, even when it costs comfort? Write it down. Return to it. Stand on it when pressure rises. Freedom is not only removal. Freedom is replacement done with intention. What you allow back in decides whether the cycle ends or repeats with a new face. So take one action today. Redirect your attention, guard your boundary, and anchor with truth. We're here. Secrets Eternal. Next, we go deeper. The identity that keeps pulling you back.